Silver stallion roars from shadowed lane, iron muscles burning through the rain. City lights reflect on polished steel. The road ahead bends, the night reveals. A red stallion bursts ahead in flame. A golden bull joins, wild and untamed. Silver wolves slice through neon streams. Mechanical beasts living engine dreams. Racing comets, sparks collide. Every creature chasing pride. Riding stallions through the night, chasing shadows, chasing light. Every street a kingdom wide, no place to hide, nowhere to hide. Riding stallions through the night, chasing shadows, chasing light. Every street a kingdom wide, no place to hide, nowhere to hide. Bronze cheetahs, cobalt foxes in flight. Horses, tigers, phantoms all ignite. Yet on my favorite road, calm and free, my metal horse runs where I choose to be. No matter who's faster, who's supreme, my iron steed rides the path I dream. Ride iron stallions through the night, chasing shadows, chasing light. Every street a kingdom wide, no place to hide, nowhere to hide. Ride iron stallions through the night, chasing shadows, chasing light. Every street a kingdom wide, no place to hide, nowhere to hide. Ride iron stallions through the night, chasing shadows, chasing light. Every street a kingdom wide, no place to hide, nowhere to hide. HD collectibles and more. 9XD collectibles and more.